many people are having trouble with turning off their black diamond spot headlamp? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Identify power button. Identify the power button on your black diamond spot headlamp. Step 2. Hold power button. Push and hold the power button for a few seconds until the light goes out. Step 3. Verify lights out. Verify that there's no light coming from the headlamp. Step 4. Wait for off. Wait until the headlamp is completely off before releasing the power button. Step 5. Double check light. Double check the headlamp to make sure no light is noticeable. Step 6. Store safely. When not in use, keep your headlamp in a safe spot to save battery life. With these steps, you can easily and completely turn off your black diamond spot headlamp. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Black Diamond users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.